And so we have here TT Esports AC Gaming versus Pacific Macta. So this is our second match for this round 4 of the Crossfire Elite League Mindanao Cup. Caster for this match, this is GM Astral. And so we have a 3 versus 3 situation. 1 minute and 49 seconds. Last one standing is Tanks coming from AC Gaming. And so our first map for our second match is Ankara. And so we have 3 players still coming from Pacific Macta. And we have a 1 point going to Macta as well. So let's take a look first of the lineup. For TT Esports AC Gaming, we have Yats as the new sniper of the team. We have Fortis, a former name was Gerald Bais. We have G. Seth, a former name is Senpai. And still we have Tanks as the captain of the team. And for Pacific Macta, we have Zeke, Kram, Aldrin, Revenge, and Bayo. And as you guys can notice, hindi naman nagpalit ng in-game names itong Pacific Macta. Of course, Pacific Macta is already familiar sa ating mga paningin. Alam kong madalas yun ang napapanood itong Pacific Macta. Yan. And they retained the same name. So ACG 40s getting 1 kill with the headshot. 1 minute and 18 seconds. Again, our map is Ankara. So last 2 players for Pacific Macta, we have Revenge. The last one is Zeke with a double kill from Seth. And so the score now is 1-1. For the match yesterday, hindi natin napanood itong si Revenge. And we have witnessed the gameplay of their 6-man. Yan, si Daniel. May Daniel Matsunaga, may Daniel Padilla. May Daniel din sila. So Yats being able to snipe 1 player from Pacific Macta. So Yats here, packet pa lang, kaso naabangan siya ni Revenge. And so we have Tanks here on the base. Yan. Fortis with only 10 HP left. Medyo delikado na ang lagay nito ni Fortis. And so 1 minute and 14 seconds remaining. Let's take a look at the other side. Yan. We have Revenge here. Nearing on the B side. Inside the house. On the lookout to the B side as well while Tanks is making his way. Tanks getting that kill. It's 2 versus 2. We have Bayo and Kram for Pacific Macta. Getting that kill. Actually, this is just the second round of Macta. First round yung kahapon since they were involved in the CFS Invitational. Yan, galing sila ng China. Fresh from China. Amoy noodles pa. So 1 versus 1, we have Tanks and Cram. And the Ansa Crouch. Cram getting that kill. Let's just wait for Pacific Macta to defuse. So 1 point for Macta.
Flash bomb.
2 minutes on our timer.
Flash bomb. Smoking bomb.
So let's take a look at our map. So we have here Ankara. Di mo ba alam kung parang resort ba siya or something? May puno-puno pa sa gilid.
Smoking bomb.
And as you can see. Ankara is a huge map as well. Mga coconut tree. So we have here the A site. So from the response site, medyo mas mabilis ma-access itong A site. Unless there is a sniper on the lookout here on the A site. Yan, at dyan sa baba. Dahil medyo malawak itong daan papuntang A site. Medyo ideal to sa pwestuhan ng mga sniper. Tinutour ko lang kayo. And so it's 1 versus 2. We still have Tanks left. Crazy Gaming, but Bayo getting that kill. 1 point again for Macta. Standing is now 1-3.
Smoking bomb. Smoking bomb.
With 1 headshot from Bayo and 2 headshots from AC Gaming. Blacklist already being able to plant the bomb. Sunod-sunod ata ang kills nitong ni Bayo. And last one standing again for Pacific Macta, we have Cram. Yan, napapansin nyo, medyo laging natitira tong si Cram. Dahil siya nga naman ang sweeper ng Pacific Macta. Yan, taga-ubos.
Smoking grenade. Smoking grenade.
So it's 4 versus 5, 2 minutes on our timer. Let's take a look at the stats. And nangunguna, we have Seth with 8 kills. And Zeke with 8 frags as well. And last one standing for ACG, we have G with still 4 more to go. For Pacific Macta, getting 1 kill.
Double
and
kill.
a double kill from G. Nice one, G. Kaso, na-sandwich na itong si G. 1 point again for Macta.
Smoking grenade. Flash bomb. Fire in the hole. Smoking grenade.
So it's 4 versus 5.
Fire in the
First
hole.
one
Fire in
down
the
is
hole.
coming from PC Gaming. That's nice. Ayan, shoutout daw. Mamaya shout ko kayo. Ayan, hindi naman mawawala yun. Huwag kayong
Flash
mag-alala. So it's 3 versus 3 now. Let's take a look at the sniper of Pacific Macta. We have Revenge. Ayan, favorite na favorite ng isang bayanan. Etong si Revenge.
Mission fail. Global risk win.
Pero si Kramang umubos. 1 point again for
Smoking
Macta.
bomb.
Okay, move out.
Ayan. From Ayalway Nanay, wala na atang makakatalo sa Macta pagdating dito sa Pinas.
Smoking bomb.
Ayan. From Eren.
Double kill!
Makakatalo din dyan. May lilitaw din daw na team. So that's double kill from Bayo and another kill from Bayo. Making it 3 kills. And one more. Wow.
Fire in the hole.
Bayo with 9 frags and Kram with 10.
Smoking bomb. Flash
Most of
bomb.
the time, we always
Smoking
see
bomb.
snipers
Fire in the hole.
having most of the frags. But now, look, we have Bayo and Kram for Macta. So let's switch now to AC Gaming.
Fire in the hole. Flash bomb. Fire in the hole. Fire in the hole.
So it's 1 minute and 50 seconds. 3 versus 3. Last two players, we have Bayo and Zeke for Macta. And we still have 3 left for ACG. And as you can see, buhay pa ang sniper ng AC Gaming. We have Gaz.
Smoking grenade.
And that's a pistol. Zeke getting a double kill. It's 1 versus 1. Zeke na medyo delicates na sa HP with 13 left.
Success. Black
Nasipatan ni Gian. So we're currently back to the second half. We have a standing of
Smoking grenade.
6-3. 6 points going to Pacific Macta and 3 points for AC Gaming. And medyo nagka-issue. Yan. So binalikan naman natin agad. Diba? Issue lang yan. Wala yan. Dito naman kami para bumalik. So, 3 versus 4. We have 3 players for
Fire in the
Macta.
hole. Flash bomb.
So we're cram here at the barracks on the way to the tunnel. Napitas ni G. We have 2 versus 3 and now 2 versus 2. Zeke getting a golden headshot.
Fire in the hole.
And last one standing for AC Gaming, we have a
Bomb has been
40s.
planted at A site.
Blacklist win.
Yan, no, ikain nyo yan. Yung ibang viewers dyan already eating while watching the stream. Time check is already 6:45, though it's a bit early para mag-dinner.
Fire in the hole.
Kain lang ng kain.
Fire in the hole. Smoking bomb.
So we have a 4 versus 5 in 1 minute and 51 seconds.
Flash bomb.
So as an update on the score, it's now 7-3 in favor of Pacific Macta at isa-isang uubos ang Macta right now. Still, we have 4 players left for AC Gaming. So it's 1 versus 3. We have the sweeper, Kram, from Pacific Macta. Still against 3 players from AC Gaming. Now Kram here having the C4, making his way to the B site. And is now a bit stuck up. Yan, gumalaw na. And so let's take a look. Mukhang okay naman ang ping. Itong mga players natin who are all in Pacific at the moment. And both of the teams are coming from Manila, by the way. And so background about the team, Pacific Macta, back-to-back champion for Elite League Luzon and Visayas Cup. And for AC Gaming, being the second place on the Cup and
Double kill.
Mission
being the
failed.
4th
Global
place.
risk win. Let's rock and roll.
Yan. So second place sila ng Luzon and 6th. 6th naman.
Smoking grenade.
14 seconds, double kill from Aldrin.
Smoking grenade.
Flash
Aldrin here throwing a bomb on the way to the B side.
Smoking
Now going
grenade.
to the tunnel. Yan, mga player na sanay mag-bunny hop. Kailan kaya ako matututo mag-ganyan? Yan, lakas daw talaga ng Macta. From Aldrin getting another kill. It's 3 kills for Aldrin already.
failed. Global risk win.
So 1 point for AC Gaming.
Okay, move out.
Flash bomb. Smoking grenade.
46 seconds.
Bomb has been planted at B site. Fire in the hole!
So last two players from both of the teams.
Fire
It's
in the
2
hole.
versus 2.
Flash bomb!
And now last one for AC Gaming, we have Seth
Headshot!
getting one headshot, and last one, Alden versus Seth.
Success. Blacklist.
It's like 2 points for Macta. Score now is 8-5. 3 points difference.
Smoking grenade! Smoking grenade! Flash bomb! Smoking grenade!
So last one standing is Yats from AC Gaming.
Mission success. Blacklist win. Let's rock
2
and
minutes
roll.
and 25 seconds. We are on our 6th game of the second half for map 1. So you can see we now have 9 points for Pacific Macta. Last 1 point for Macta right here to be able to get map 1. And then we will be proceeding sa ating second map. Mukhang magpuhukay na naman tayo sa Damine. Ayan. Si Aldrin daw, naka-normal character lang daw. Wala pa anti-smoke yan. VIP lang daw ang gamit. It's all about the skills, of course. We have competitors without any VIP guns as well. Na talagang kinakarir ang shooting skills pagdating sa mga tournament. Especially on Challenger Series, of course.
Bomb has been planted at B site.
So, 32 seconds remaining. Bomb already planted here. Si being able na makakatch ng flashbang, still being capable to get that double kill. Going back to our room. Congratulations, Pacific Macta, for being able to get the first map, and now we are up for our second map. We have again the challenge map. It's the mine. Ayan naman ang Castillo. So let's just wait for our players to toss the coin and choose the side that we prefer. Kung ano man yung gusto nilang side, of course, dun sila.
Smoking
So going
grenade!
back to our second map for our round 2. Second map, match number 2 actually of the round
Flash bomb.
for the CFEL Mindanao Cup. Still we have Pacific Macta versus AC Gaming. 3 players left for Pacific Macta. Bayo right here having the C4. Yan. Kanina nanguubos tong si Bayo. Together with Cram. Cram already having 2 kills.
Flash bomb.
And so for those who are not aware, again, Pacific Macta here being a part of the CFES Invitational. Yeah, which happened in China.
Global risk win.
And on the other side, we have the players from Europe. And who wants to say hi to the watchers of the PH? We have Penta Sports. And a huge hi to Penta Sports. Yeah, Penta Sports from Europe.
Smoking
And
bomb.
Philippines says hi to you guys. We have 2 minutes
Fire
left
in
on
the hole.
our timer. Still we have the mine again. The global risk here already camping on the A side. Well, we also have 2 members of the GR on the B side as well. Yan, tignan natin ang mapa.
Smoking bomb.
Since we have 3 players left for Pacific Macta and now only 2 left.
Fire in the hole.
Mukhang magandang defense ang pinapakita nitong TT Esports. Already having 1 point. Last one standing is Revenge of Pacific Macta. He's finishing the game. 1 point again for TT Esports.
Smoking grenade.
That's 2 minutes, 10 seconds. Yan, bumulagta sa harap si Zeke with a double kill from Seth from ACG, followed by Gian. Last one standing is Bayo of Pacific Macta. Getting 1 headshot. Saktong-sakto ang sulyapan.
Mission fail. Global risk win.
Fire in the hole.
That's already 3 points in a row for AC Gaming.
Flash bomb. Flash bomb. Fire in the hole.
So it's 3 versus 4 now. Again, isa-isa na namang nauubos ang Pacific Macta. And now, 2 players left for Macta and 2 as well for AC Gaming. And we have G with already 8 frags. Mukhang nag-BB mode. Ito si G ngayon, getting another kill. Still, we have the sniper of AC Gaming. We have Yats, who is currently on a pistol. Parang hindi ko pa masyadong nasusubaybayan itong si Yats mag-snipe. So it's 1 versus 2. Another point for AC Gaming. As you can see guys with the map here at the top left. Ayan. Yun na nga ba yung pino-point out ko on the earlier match for Reborn versus Wara.
Flash bomb.
medyo nahihirapan yung players natin to recognize sa mapping dahil as you can see, wala nga nakalagay
Smoking
na
bomb.
designated name ng lugar na kinatatayuan nila. Medyo may hirapan mag-command itong players natin since the map is very wide. And we have a wide map right here, pero walang nakalagay sa mapping on whatever area they are located. Kaya, ang aasahan mo lang talaga dito is looking through the map para nakikita mo yung kakampi mo, di ba? Ever someone's battling or may namatay na ba? So, it's a 4 versus 4.
Fire in the hole.
So, last one player we have, Seth, for AC Gaming. Finally, Pacific Macta here being able to get 1 point.
Go, go, go. Flash grenade.
Smoking grenade. Fire in the hole.
So as you can see, guys, with a score of 1-4, it's a 3 points difference in favor of AC Gaming. Double kill coming from Zeke. And is now planting the bomb here on the B side.
Bomb has been planted at B site.
Medyo mahirap nga naman mag-plant dito sa B side. As you can see, there are many windows. B side is very open. Meron pang second floor.
Smoking grenade.
By any instance, pwede silang sumulyap by the windows and even go through the second floor. Prism! Ang lakas daw talaga ng Macta.
Flash bomb. Fire in the hole.
So it's 1 minute and 55 seconds. Zeke getting that kill against Tanks. Counter killed by Seth. Last one standing.
Double
Scram
kill.
with a double kill. Last one now is Yats. Scram versus Yats. Diba? Scram finishing the game. 1 point again for Macta. Standing is now 3-4. Mukhang humahabol itong Macta at balak din mag-consecutive wins.
Smoking grenade. Fire in the hole. I found her. Flash bomb. Fire in the hole. Flash bomb. Bomb has been planted at A site.
Last one standing is G from AT Esports. Well, let's take a look first at the stats of our players. Pacific Macta leading with the kills. We have Kram and
Fire in the
Albre.
hole.
While for Gian, sa TT Esports AC Gaming with 13.
Smoking grenade.
And medyo maganda naman ang segregation of the
Fire in the
kills
hole.
for Pacific Macta. While for the Global Risk, you have AC Gaming. Mukhang beast mode na beast mode. Itong si G carrying the team. Yan. And the least of frags goes to Tanks. Last one standing, we have Bayo still versus Fortis and Seth. Yan. Ubus daw kay Aldrin. So it's 1 versus 2. Let's see kung kaya ba ni Bayo ang dalawa. Still Bayo having the C4, not being able to plant the bomb. And is now looking through. Getting 1 kill and is now with half-life of 46. Hindi diskarte sa B-site. As you can see with Seth, still having 100. 5-4. Now let's do the switch. So we now have AC Gaming on the blacklist and Pacific Macta on the global risk. And tingnan natin kung babawi ba ang Macta since we are done with the switching. Let's see if the situation also switches.
Fire in the hole! Flash bomb! Fire in the hole! Flash bomb! Bomb has been planted.
From Seth. And last one standing for Macta is Aldrin.
Mission success. Blacklist win.
Nice shot.
Seth finishing the game. Grabe. Triple kill agad for Seth. Just the first game.
Area clear. A site. Flash bomb! Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole!
One minute and 42 seconds. We have Seth here by the tunnel going through the A site. So it's 2 versus 3.
Mission failed. Global risk win.
1 point for Macta.
Move out now.
Ayan. Hindi daw makaporma yung idol ni
Black bomb.
Jix na si Revenge.
Smoking bomb.
SCIG. That's from
Black
SCIG.
bomb.
Hello there to Stigmatize. Yan. Wow, dikit daw ang laban sa The Mine.
Mission failed. Global risk
Points
win.
for Macta.
Black bomb. Fire in the hole.
Standing now is all 6.
Let's rock and roll.
Flash bomb. Smoking bomb. Flash bomb. Flash bomb. Fire in the hole.
So it's 1 versus 1. We still have Bayo versus Fortis. With 1 minute and 41 seconds remaining.
Success. Blacklist win.
Yan. Shoutout daw sa lahat ng multi-kill at
Copy
ni...
that.
Let's rock and
What's
roll.
this? Netas.
Smoking bomb. Flash bomb.
So you can see with the standing is now 2-2. As our friends short that 6. Since the 5 points sila earlier. Last 3 points for ACG and 4 more to go for Pacific Macta. Again, Pacific Macta already being able to dominate the first map. Tingnan natin kung kaya bang i-dominate Pacific Macta. Grabing silipan yun. Napadaan lang ang braso. Binrasuan ni Revenge. So it's 2 versus 2 now.
Mission failed.
1 point again for Macta. Pilit ngang humahabol itong Macta with a score. Let's switch now to the other side. Let's take a look at Tanks here, the captain of AC Gaming.
Fire in the hole.
Tanks having the C4. Ito ay bumabase kung gaano ba kalupit dumipensa ang Macta. Of course, Blacklist here will always
Smoking
try to
grenade.
plant the bomb if they are not
Fire in the
able
hole.
na ubusin ang Macta. Yan. So, shoutouts daw. Shoutout to Bunsong Siopaw. And I don't know if Anna is still here. And shout out to Anna of Yumiko TV.
Flash bomb. Bomb has been planted at A site. Flash bomb. Flash bomb. Fire in the hole.
Mukhang naubos ang Macta. Another point for AC Gaming. That's 8-7.
Smoking grenade. Smoking grenade. Flash bomb. Fire in the hole.
Ayan. Yung mga bagay daw talaga na mahirap pormahan. Di daw kasi makaporma si Revenge. Pero yung porma niya, kahit daw may car siya.
Flash bomb. Flash bomb. I found her.
So it's 1 minute and 40 seconds.
Flash bomb.
And last two players for Macta is Bayo and Gram. Versus 3 players still.
Bomb has been
From
planted.
AC Gaming, we still have the Sniper. Yan, nasabugan ng flash bomb. Still being able to sidestep that kill. And Fortis, inubos ang dalawang Macta. Last 1 point for AC Gaming. Able to get this map.
I found smoking grenade. Fire in the hole. Fire in the hole.
And last 2 players for AC Gaming. Mukhang ayaw pang ibigay ng Macta ang nag-iisang punto sa ACG.
Mission fail. Global risk win. Go, go, go.
Smoking grenade. Flash bomb. A site. Flash bomb.
It's a double kill from Revenge. Last 2 players for Macta and 3 more to go for ACG again. Last 1 point for AC Gaming to get the second map. And kapag ito nag-tie sa 9-9, we will be having the golden round. Last 1 player is Bayo. Kay Bayo nakasalalay.
Smoking grenade.
Mga isang punto na ba ang AC Gaming?
Flash bomb.
So we have Bayo here on the way to the B side. Looking through the window. And 22 seconds remaining for the bomb. This is it. Bayo getting that 1 kill.
Success. Blacklist win.
And G finishing the game. Congratulations, ACG.
Go, go, go.
Hindi ako natira ngayon. Inunahan ko na sila. Dahil alam ko na ang pakiramdam ng maiwan. And so let's go back to the lobby. So up next, we'll be having TNT Pro Team versus Karak 2.